Alright guys, I'm going to get ready to start it. I got spark, I have fuel pressure, I don't have a block off for my fuel rail, I realized, and I had a return line hooked up to it because this is a returnless system and I wasn't thinking when I put the return line in. But, so I got a plug on this hose here. I got spark, fuel, and ignition. I think everything is going to be good. I'm going to try to start it and we'll see what happens. All right. Well, it starts. It won't idle. I'm going to get it to idle next. Looks like it wants to idle about 12 to 1300 RPMs. It does not want to idle anywhere in the 800 range at all. Let's tinker with this a little bit, but I'm excited. It runs. It sounds good too. Guys, thanks for watching. Hit subscribe, check out more of my videos, and stay tuned more on the C10 build.